So, welcome to part 2 of signs that you have amakhosi spirit, right? There is part 1 that I've uploaded, so probably maybe check part 1 first, then come to part 2, or you can watch part 2, then go to part 1. It's still the same, but these are the signs that one has amakhosi spirit. Now, amakhosi spirits are very nice because other signs it's that you will dream of presidents. Like, it doesn't matter which president. It can be our current president, it can be Cyril Ramaphosa, it can be Mandela, it can be Jacob Zuma. You can even dream of Barack Obama. You know, you can dream of amakhosi like Abo Shaka, Abo King Mushweshwe, you know, all those things. And the funny thing is, when you dream of them, you're like, I've never had a conversation with this person. And when you dream of them, it's very funny. Because the one time I dreamed of Cyril Ramaphosa. And I was like, oh, okay, this is interesting. You know, this is interesting to see you in this light. But it's just them showing you signs. It does not mean that you're related to Cyril Ramaphosa or you're related to Nelson Mandela. Do you understand? So, remember, inkosi I attend nanoma yini, petty things. Angeke kube nesigebengu emphakathini kuthiwe sitshontshe u10 rand bese ipresident iyafika iyattend. Angeke kuthiwe kune strike nyana kosamba vale irobots eli1 bese president seyachamuka noma inkosi seyachamuka izo attenda such issues. Inkosi attenda serious issues. Yabona mabathi this affects the whole country, like abo national shutdown, electricity crisis, yabo country, yabo into is serious. That's when you will see them announcing there's a president address or state address. President is gonna address the nation. So that's why most benza ngamakhosi. Amakhosi azikhethela bona abantu abalaphayo, abantu abakhuluma nabo. Hence I made on this first video an example that you can have a line of 10 people, but on that day, because kuphake amakhosi, then they choose one person to heal. Then I don't know if you understand. And inkosi signs, it's that you will dream of lions, you will dream of leopards, you know. Sometimes uzowaphupa ama-leopard obabili, maybe esifazane neyomuntu osilisa, because bayakubonisa ukuthi obviously uhamba nonkosikazi wakhe wayengahambi ayi-one. I don't know if it makes sense. And ngeke lekuyenze lutho lelo bubesi, leyo leopard ngeke kuyenze lutho, you know. Ngeke, it won't do anything to you. Like, I don't know if you understand. So, amakhosi, amaphupho wabo are not like your everyday dreams. Mawuphupha amakhosi, you will know. But I leli bekuyiphupho lamakhosi. And liza once in a while. And now amakhosi wakho masewaphakeme or esebenza or akulethela imlayezo, it won't be every day. It will only be when it's necessary. Mababona ukuthi yala you are in danger. Bayavela. Or la kunomuntu esifuna umlaphi. Bayavela. Baza only when it's necessary. So don't cry and be like, yo, yazini, I did get a sign once ukuthi nginamakhosi bese kwathuleka. Yes, they came to notify you they are done. They're not gonna come and pester you every day. Balok bakubonisa into eyi-one. That's not how amakhosi spirit works. That's not how it works. Bayazi bona when it's time, bayazi when it's time to keep quiet. Uyabona? And you will dream of bees, like your bees, bees. You will dream of bees. And inkosi yayingalashwa nanoma ubani. That's why umoya wamakhosi awulashwa nanoma ubani. Fanele ulashwe umuntu onamakhosi akuphakamisele wona, because inkosi bekwakwaziwa endaweni ukuthi kunenyanga eyenkosi. so that should anything go wrong kwazi ukuthi waphiwa umuthi wrong, we should know ukuthi yile yanyanga. Because if inkosi ihamba zonke igodlo ilashwa abantu abaningi bangaze bambulale mos bamthelele, kodwa nalo olapha inkosi uzoba careful because uyazi ukuthi should anything happen, I'm in trouble. That's why inkosi yayingayiswi emfuleni kugcwele bonke abantu emini kapa. Inkosi yayithathwa ebusuku lo muntu omlaphayo ahambe naye ayomelapha, amise emfuleni, mangabe uyomgeza ayomgeza emfuleni, bese ayomcelela kumakhosi asemfuleni, ayomcelela kumakhosi wamanzi ukuthi bamembathe bamupha amandla bese abuye. Because imagine inkosi ingqunu, imagine when so hlangana noSil Ramaphosa emanzini so ubona ithanga la kaCyril ukuthi linjani, so mbona anje. I mean, everybody will be taking pictures and now uzoba shocked, and kwawena uzoshaya uvalo ukuthi eshaye no, I must respect uzohlehla. So rather alashwe in private and in secret, la kungaziwa khona nala abantu ngeke bambone khona. And kuyekuthiwe inkosi ayikhuleli ekhaya, vele inkosi ayikhuleli ekhaya. That's why abantwana abanamakhosi, most of the time you are the outcast, you are the black sheep of the family. Abanye benu abanye benu umlanjwana, awukhulelanga ekhaya, awukhuliswa ngubaba, baba wadina isisu mhlambe wakhulela kuphi kuphi. That's why you even see ngoshaka, that's why you even see ngoshaka ukuthi nakwayena kwakumlanje akakhulelanga ekhaya ubaba. So that thing it's done to protect you as a queen, because obviously abasekhaya mabekubona noma bobhuti bakho noma abasisi bakho sibalwela ubukhosi bangakubhubhisa nokukubhubhisa. So in order for you to be protected so that ukwazi ukukhula kahle fanele ukhulele kuphi ezizweni. And yes, it's painful at that time, but believe you me, leo nkuliso it's way better than if bozo khulela ekhaya. Because when ekhaya every day ebusuku uzobusaba nokudla because of usaba ukuthi especially if kune polygamy kunabafazi abaningi bazokuthelela bakubulala ngoba bayazi ukuthi makungafa wena ingane zabo zothatha ubukhosi. So bona bayakudedisa bese bayakukhulisa bese bayakuvikela isikhathi mase silungele bese uyathatha isihlalo sakho. So ezinye izinto ezenzekala empilweni yethu, it's at the time when zenzakala you think that there's something wrong with you when awuthandiwe, when in actual fact uthandiwe shem, uthandiwe. If you knew the amount of work your people, your ancestors are doing behind the scenes, you would be grateful and you would understand and you will appreciate everything that they are doing for you. Umoya wamakhosi muhle, umoya wamakhosi muhle, ene ungalimaza ubukhosi bakho ngezinto eziphuma eceleni nibhizi nithwala nenzani. Abanye benu izipho zenu or your gifts, or you end up not knowing that you are gift because nathwala ekhaya. So idlozi alikwazi ukuphakama endaweni ekuthwelwe kuyona. Kuyosebenzani? Kuyosebenza lezinto lezi, idlozi liyahlehla. And elihlehla more especially if wena owasukela lezo ethwala. If akusuwena sizokudedisa emndenini wakho, umangale wena uphuma emndenini wakho bangakufuni bakuxoshe kanti idlozi lalikususa ukuthi asikwazi ukuconnecta kuwena kule nawe kule ndawo because of isingcolile. So deda. So sometimes you must stop resisting when ancestors are trying to speak to you, no matter they're trying to protect you. Bese when no resist uzame ukulwa, because if uzame ukulwa leso simo they will leave you and be like, okay, continue, be where you are. And then maso gadlekile so khala, then you'll come back and be like, okay, yeah, ngiyaxolisa ukuthi nginganilaleli manje, I'm ready to listen to you. Now I'm ready to do whatever that you were trying to tell me that I need to do. So I hope this video makes sense. Anyways, if you've got questions, you can ask in the